What's going on, everyone? Corey from Yoda Expedition here, and what we have is a set of taillights from AlphaRex. We're going to be installing these on our 4Runner. We're going to show you how to do it and show you how they look. In our last video, we installed a set of headlights from AlphaRex, and if you're interested in checking that out, go ahead and watch our last video. These particular taillights are the Pro Series. They have a black housing as well as a smoked lens. Full LED taillight with sequential turn signals, and I think they're going to give the 4Runner a really nice look, and install should be super simple. We just have 2 nuts to loosen and 1 plug to put in, and that's pretty much it. So let's go ahead and get these OEM taillights taken out, show you how to install these, and then show you the finished product. All right, so in the back of the 4Runner, you can see we have this panel here. There's a small little spot where you can fit a trim removal tool or a flathead screwdriver. So we're gonna go ahead and remove this panel on both sides, and that'll give us access to the nuts that we need to remove and all of the wiring. Okay, so with this panel removed, you can see we have access to the wiring. We have one stud right here with a 10mm nut on it, and then another one up here as well with a 10mm nut. So we're going to go ahead, unplug this, and take these 2 nuts off, and we can go ahead and remove the taillight. All right, so at this point we have both of those nuts removed and the wiring disconnected. We should be able to just pull this taillight out. Wow. Wow. So we got the taillight removed. These push clips on the back that hold the taillight into the body were a little bit more difficult than I was expecting to remove, but you just got to give it a good pull and it should come out. Hopefully yours is a little bit easier. So now I'm going to repeat those steps on the passenger side and get that side removed as well. All right, so the OEM taillights are out. The AlphaRex taillights are ready to go in. My only tip for you is to just make sure that the foam pad on the back of the taillight is sitting in the proper location so that you don't have any sort of moisture problems in the future. Then we can go ahead and hook up our wire, put our 2 10mm nuts back in place. Just make these snug. You don't want to go too hard, or you could potentially crack the housing. All right, we got the taillights in. I think they look really good, but I think we can make them look better. So there you have it. We have the AlphaRex taillights installed on the 4Runner. I think they look really good, way better than the OEM ones. Let us know down below what you guys think. That's gonna do it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the next one. And remember, your expedition is on the horizon.